For years, everyone believed learning to code was the safest career choice. But today, the hiring market is sending a very different message. Companies are no longer looking for people who can simply build AI models. They want professionals who can deploy AI into the real world. Welcome to the era of physical AI, and it could be the biggest hiring opportunity of this decade. Hello everyone, welcome to Career Intelligence by the Recruiter Insights. This is where we go beyond the headlines and explain what today's biggest stories really mean for your career, business, and future. Let's dive in. A recent industry report reveals that India's hiring focus is shifting. Companies are moving away from simply developing AI models to deploying AI in production environments. That means the demand is rising for professionals in robotics, embedded systems, industrial automation, computer vision, Internet of Things, Edge AI, smart manufacturing. This isn't just about software anymore. It's about making machines intelligent. Here is what many people are missing. The future belongs to professionals who combine multiple skills. Think about these combinations. Mechanical engineer plus AI, electronics plus Python, manufacturing plus robotics, IoT plus cloud computing, computer vision plus automation. Companies are looking for engineers who understand both the digital and physical worlds. That's why there are thousands of open positions despite millions of graduates entering the workforce every year. It's not a shortage of people, it's a shortage of future-ready skills. If you are wondering what to learn next, here is my advice. If you're a student, don't rely on a single programming language. Build projects that combine software with real-world applications. If you're an engineer, start exploring robotics, embedded AI, computer vision, and industrial IoT. If you are a working professional, look for opportunities to apply AI within your industry rather than treating it as a separate field. The professionals who combine domain expertise with AI will stand out. Over the next 5 years, India will become more than an IT services hub. It will increasingly become a hub for AI-powered manufacturing, smart factories, robotics, and industrial automation. As global companies expand their manufacturing footprint in India, the demand for multidisciplinary talent will continue to grow. Keep an eye on these sectors: electronics manufacturing, automotive and EVs, aerospace and defense, semiconductors, smart factories, logistics automation, healthcare devices. These industries are likely to drive the next wave of hiring. Don't prepare for the jobs of yesterday, prepare for the industries of tomorrow. The future won't belong to people who simply know AI. It will belong to people who know how to apply AI to solve real world problems. I would love to hear your thoughts. Which industry do you think will create the most AI jobs over the next 5 years? Manufacturing, healthcare, automotive, or logistics? Share your answers in the comments. If you're planning your next career move, trying to understand emerging skills, or hiring talent in these fast changing sectors, connect with me on LinkedIn. I regularly share practical career intelligence and market insights to help professionals and business stay ahead. If you found this analysis valuable, subscribe to the Recruiter Insights. Remember, every headline hides an opportunity. The sooner you understand it, the faster you can act. I'm Hari, and this has been Career Intelligence. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.